Wow. No, I'm saying right now. Back on camera like I never left. Look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. I love my little wheel. You know what I mean? Strawberry popular. Flashing. Fucking cold. It's cold in a bitch. Outside. What's up, baby girl? And I'm back like I never left, y'all. And that fucking X is dead, y'all. That X is fucking dead, dog. I came out here thinking I'm about to get up and go. You heard me? I'm about to fly shit. Look, that hoe not even dinging none of the keys in there. No dinging, no none of that. Look at this shit. What the fuck? That shit dead. Oh, look at this ugly ass dog. My nigga leaking. Oh, my nigga had babies. My nigga had babies. Scare ass. Scare ass running for his life, for her life and shit. Scare ass. I ain't gonna do your scare ass, nothing. Fuck. But shit, just on my way to come get Wes a boost. You feel me? About to get the X back up and rolling on my fly shit. But right now I'm about to just chill with grandma under the ass until further notice. You feel me? Then I'm about to go get me something to eat because I'm hungry. Feel me on my fly shit. Simmons on her way. Girl. Sis done pull up, y'all. Sis done pulled up on Wes. On Wes! Oh, y'all excited and shit. Look at this nigga not at school. Why this nigga not at school? Simmons, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, that's Lonnie. What's up? Cause I thought you was D. I'm like, why this nigga not at school, bro? Straight ass. You got a stick? How's she not at school?
He's school out.
Oh. You ain't got no stick? Oh, let's need a stick. We got a stick right here. Curl. I need that. I need that. I don't even know why my shit went dead neither. That shit beyond me. Feel me? But as soon as they came to the rescue, you feel me? You got this. About to get this shit fucking boosted and shit. Y'all, where's about to? I'll be back. You feel me? I need both of my hands. Feel me? Sister in the building. Sister came to the rescue, y'all. Yes, Lord.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready when you ready, bro.
No, yours did. Put it on yours first.
Okay. Open them on. Damn, that was heavy. Let me know when then. Hey, y'all hear that much, huh? Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? Oh, that hold on. Start on Wes. I wonder what made my thing go dead like that. Probably was the heat on.
It's still in there.
I got a little small heat on for the car.
Like that?
Yeah, it was plugged up all night.
Okay.
Look at this little fucking heater, dog. This hoe right here, bro. This hoe come good under the cover. You feel me? Look at this hoe right here. Under the cover. But just having out, I don't do no justice. I still be covered. But under the cover, oh, we Gucci. You feel me? Nothing. So I need a new battery? Or just that dead? I don't do much.
And you got corrosion and shit. They tell her how long it's been dead, so. But overnight, that shit is. You put your, oh, you had your hand. I was like, you put your hand up there, yeah, hold it.
Crazy. I appreciate you, man. I'm about to move on. Damn, fool. Not bait acting like that. My lights? No, my light's not on.
Turn it over, they click, click.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Did you start or you alternator?
No battery issue.
Those three work together.
So what I need to do?
I don't know. You can take it to what you know what you can get with.
So we got the auto shop getting that battery tested, charged, and some more stuff. See what's going on. We just probably gotta get a whole new battery, whole nother battery. I gotta get a whole new battery, a whole new fucking battery, whole new fucking battery. Oh, crazy fucking donkey head. All the time. So boom, we finally came and got a battery, got us a new battery or whatnot like that, y'all. Now we about to go install that. What's him? All in my face and shit. That's neat, but I ain't one of them fans, you feel me? But shit, we got us a battery, y'all, thank God, you know what I'm saying? So now we about to go plug this into some more shit and see how this is doing some more shit. You know what I mean? So, I'm off camera. Get that, Johnny. Hey, get that. Well, it's got that water. Everybody got that water in my cup. Get water in my cup. Water and ice. Gotta get that water and ice. Because I ain't got my bucket with me, but it's in the car over here because I keep my bucket with me. But I ain't got it with me. I got the water with me. Gotta drink you some water. Gosh, the hell. Water. Oh, top. All right, right. From the cup. You drank it from the cup. Howdy, howdy.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. So, people, I just got some ice. You gonna let me have this for free right now? Thank you, big dog.
Security.
He say that. Scared of you. Don't piss you off. Yeah, I do. I do need to get some more too, but I got some. Big dog. Big dog. Thank you, sir. Have a great one. Oh, excuse me. Look at her. Look at her. Don't come here with that type of attitude. Fuck. What's wrong with her? That's her fault. She need. Right, but she need to get that money. Fuck.
But you can't feel like that. She didn't say nothing. She just walked in.
With an attitude.
That's what you look like.
And she wrote West wrong. I have to say something. Watch how you hold West.
Watch how you be in public.
All right.
Shit.
Come here with that type of attitude. There's good energy going on. You come here just
Whatever that is.
You feel me? So y'all, we got that battery on that bitch, y'all. About to fucking tighten these bolts up and shit. Whatnot like that. Crib City. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the moment of truth, man. Let's see what's cracking. Oh, that whole not starting. Oh, that whole starting. Yeah, that whole starting. That whole starting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back in motherfucking motion. You feel me? Oh, my shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to my motherfucking sister. Yes, sir. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. But it's off camera on his fly shit. Yo, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to feel right now. My fly shit.